A make one stitch purlwise is an increase that creates a new purl stitch using the bar between two existing stitches. You make this new stitch by lifting the bar between the two existing stitches onto the left needle, then purling it. There are two ways to do this, a make one purl right and a make one purl left. If a pattern states make one purlwise, you can use either of these methods, or you can use a paired increase like I'm doing here. To make one purl left, insert the left needle tip under the bar, that's this little bit here, from front to back. And then purling that stitch through the back loop, twisting the stitch. And there's my make one left purlwise. For my pattern, I've got 2 purl stitches in between. 1, 2. And to purl one stitch right, you insert the left needle tip under the bar from back to front, and then purl that loop. So that's my make one purl right. On the other side of the work, the stockinette side in this case, a make one purl right looks like a make one right, and a make one purl left looks like a make one left. As the make one purls start to stack up, you can see how the increase line looks. For more information on increase lines and increases, see the tutorial link in the video notes.